Hello, I'm Nicola. Today's draw along is going to be a little bit different. So as you can see here, this is going to be the character we are going to draw. So we've got that one. And here on this side, we have got Pumpkin, which is who we are going to draw, but we're turning into a cartoon. Now, Pumpkin didn't have a good start in life. A not very nice person broke her back. But I want to share something positive with you now, because a lovely family adopted Pumpkin. They rescued her and they started a charity which supports disabled animals. They also go into care homes, schools, and different places to help people with their well-being. So I'll let you read that. I won't go on tell you too much. I'll let you go onto their website and check it out. So if you type in Pumpkin, the Paralysed Westie, that should hopefully come up for you. Also, I would recommend you join their Facebook page. It's fantastic. So you'll get updates and there's videos and photos and a bit more information. So now I am going to put this away and we're going to draw her. So draw her as a cartoon. So let's have a look. I need my pen. So what we're going to do now, when I draw, I don't draw straight away. I do once I've got used to drawing a drawing, but I don't use a draw with a pen, I use a sketch. So I'm just going to draw, we'll do an eye. So I'm going to do the eye like this, okay? I'm going to, so you can see I'm doing it really messy. And I don't really want it that shape, so I want a nice bit here. So I'm going to do that. Now what I can do now, if I do it scribbly, is I can rub that out. And then when I get the shape I want, I'll draw over it. So you can, it's like moulding your art. So you can draw over it just like that. Okay, so that's how I usually draw sketch. It's called, I would call it a guide. So you draw your guideline underneath. Don't press on with a pencil because you need to rub it out. I do draw alongs. If you want to do, I've done aliens and monsters and animals, all sorts, robots. So if you want to do a draw along, have a look at my YouTube channel. If you type in Captain Cup and Scat the Cat, you should find them on there. So let's get on now with the draw along. Now I've had to cheat a little bit because I've struggled with this. I really struggled drawing this, and I'll tell you something later. I'm just going to start with her ear. Now if I start on that side and move my hand, I'm going to smudge. So I'm going to start with this side. So we've got fluffy ears. She's got fluffy ears. So I've cheated a little bit. I've left my sketch underneath a little bit so I can see, because it's a hard one. So I'm cheating this one. I'm not going freehand like I do with my other ones. So I'm going to do a little point. She's got little pointy ears, hasn't she? A cutie. Yeah, you want to check out the Facebook page and join it. So I'm going to stop there. And then I'm going to do a little hair on the top of the head. I'm going to do some flicks. So a little flick there. And then I'm going to stop there, ready for the ear. So we're going to go up, similar to the other side. Don't have to be the same, it looks better if they're not. Similar. Okay. There we go. I'm going to stop there because I want some little flicks on here. There we go, little fluffy bits underneath her ears. Now I need to go back to this side so I don't smudge. So I'm going to do the same here. Little fluffy bits. Okay, it's going to get a little bit tricky. So pause the video if I go too fast. There's nothing wrong with just pausing it and rewinding it. There we go. And I'm going to come down there. And I'm going to come in and then down. And then up again, just a little bit. And then I'm going to go down. I'm going to leave that for later because that's a bit different. I'm going to do this side the same. Oh, similar, should I say. Okay. It's really tricky, I know. I'm going to come in there and then up there like that. I know this is a hard one, that's why I've left my guide underneath, my guidelines, because I struggled. The other day, I got quite upset the other day because I couldn't draw the picture. And I want to give you a little tip here, because I spent 2 days trying to draw a picture and I couldn't do it. I'm doing a smiley face. Got a nice smile. Yeah, so I couldn't do this picture and I was really fed up. I can't do this anymore. I can't draw anymore. What you need to do when that happens to you is have a break and come back to it. Because your brain, if you keep thinking you can't do something, your brain's not going to work properly, is it? So you need to have a little break. Don't do what I did. So I'm going to come down here. Now she wants some fluffy bits in her ears. There we go. There we go. Now I've done the mistake of doing the wrong side every time. Inside these ears like this. Down to there. And then we'll add the fluffy bits. Like that. Okay. So eyebrows maybe next. We'll do that one. There we go. However you like. I've done a tutorial on my YouTube channel of how eyebrows can do expressions or feelings. So if you draw the line going down like that into the centre, you get angry. If they're going out like that, you will get a sad looking. So you could have a look on there for that. Now I'm going to draw her eyes. Now this is hard. Eyes are very hard. I'm going to do a line like that. Then I'm going to go round. Now what you can do, if that is uncomfortable for your hand, turn it. Turn your page. And then you can do it. Turn it so it's comfortable where it's comfortable. I'm going to go around here and trying to get the eyes the same size is difficult. So I've done these little flat bits here because they make her look like she's smiling. Okay, so I want to do the inside. Now first of all, I'm going to draw a circle. Okay, and the same on that side. Trying hardest to get it the same size. If I would definitely do it in pencil. Now I'm going to try and draw. There we go. As you can see, it goes below the line. And then the same on this side. Trying to get them as same as I can. Now we're going to colour this in. Now what that does is give her a shine in her eyes. There we go. So it makes them look cute. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. Sometimes it looks good, sometimes it doesn't. But experiment, try different things with your art, making up your own characters. So there we go. Now, I think she can have a little bit of tufty fluff on her nose. And then I'm going to draw the nose. So I'm going to go around like that. And join the mouth. Round. And join. There we go. I might make that bit a little bit thicker. Now what I want you to draw now is like a sausage shape in the side of her nose, like that. Now again, that is the shine on her nose. Some cartoonists use this. I quite like the technique, so I'm going to use that. There we go. Sorry, I keep forgetting to bring a thicker felt tip to colour in. So there we go. Now we need to do a little chin, little fluffy chin. She's cute. She's so cute. So that's that. Now here, she's got like a nice little outfit on. So it's a bit like a feather boa, this outfit. So we need to do some fluff. So where shall I start here. Now this is just fast lines, like that, all the way round, all the way up, and maybe join around there, and then we've got zigzags. We're going to try and join about there. So zigzags now. That's her fur going over. There we go. So that's that. Now a little outfit. This is where you might want to turn your page. So I'm going to come down here. So my hand now is bending there. So what I can do now is I can turn my page. I'm going to come up a little bit there, and then I'm going to go turn it again. I'm going to go round to about there. Right, ready for the squiggly bits again. So what we're going to do is try and follow that line on this one. So squiggles, do it fast. It's easy if you do it fast. Messy, looks good, different directions. And we're going to join to about there. Okay. And then we've got our little cute legs. So, little fluffy. Usually they have paws and you draw them paws, but she has got fluffy feet, just like my little Dachshund. So it's similar, but a bit bigger, fluffy bits there. And then this one is going to go here. There we go. There, how cute is she? Now we're going to draw a wheelchair. Now what I would do here is, if you put something under your hand, because a straight line's hard to do, so if I try and do that, my hand's going to drag. But I've got something under, moves. So I'm going to move that so you can see. So I'm going to try and do a straight line to around there. And then you'll note I'll do another straight line actually. See where it joins. My line's a bit widdly, you can use a ruler. So I'm going to draw slightly round. Okay, and then the same on the top, slightly round. And then I'm going to draw this rounded. Now that just makes it look like it's a little technique to make it look like it's a rounded object. So this is part of a wheelchair. So if you use a cup and look at it straight on, you'll see that, and then you can move it up and down and you'll see the round bit in the middle of the cup change. That's a way of learning how to do. So what we're going to do with these wheels is really tricky, because then you see that's not round because we're looking straight on. So it's really tricky to work out when you're doing it from your imagination. So there we go. So the cup technique is a great idea. You just hold it in front of you, move it up, look at the middle of the cup, and then you can see how it changes. So there's this bit of the wheelchair and that bit, and then she's got a bit that connects to her body, so that's just going to come to there. And they've got that little bit there. So there we go. There's little pumpkin. You'll want to colour your wheel in, but I don't think you're going to want to see me spending ages colouring that in. So thank you for watching the video. Again, look at the page, join the Facebook page, and hope to see you on one of my draw alongs in the future. Thank you again. Bye bye.